Hello friends, so today we traded two stocks. One of them was Balkrishna. So if we analyze it without any indicator, then we are seeing that there is some resistance, and which is around at this point, right? So this was your resistance point, and if we move just further, then we will find that around 1 to 170 was a good kind of resistance point. And if we go to 15-minute chart time frame, we will see that why it is that, because here you can see there was a certain support, and then if you go to longer time frame, then we will find certain regions where it has taken a big support. So here it has taken support, so we could have taken this as a sort kind of the place where from where there might be some rejection. So if you go to 5-minute time frame and zoom it here, then we will see that in the morning session, let's put session break here. So in the morning session it went straight up, okay, then it showed certain rejection, and if we take volume here, then you will find why there was this rejection from this level was crucial. Okay, so let's take a moving average and make it a little. So if we see here, there was one volume increment, then there was a rejection, you can say double top, and then it came down with good volume. And if it was supposed to go up as it has been seen, then first it should have crossed or given a closed green candle above this high. Also it should have taken a certain volume in upside, but you are seeing that the volume is not much, or you can say not significant, and as it goes nearby our day high, then we are seeing certain rejection from top, okay, and then we saw some big candle, and big candle is coming after this candle, okay, so it is closing below this. So this was our sorting point. So I sorted around 2171, and my stop loss was just above this candle. So this candle was, so around 2183 was my stop loss, and my target was, first target was, I was expecting it to kind of touch this one, but we can also see that there was this region from where it can take support, or if we go if we become a little flexible, then we can kind of extend it further, okay. So here this could have been considered as a good target point. So it came down within your 3 to 4 candles. So at this point I exited around 2130, so I got profited of around 41 points. So this was good trade, and it was based on volume price action. And second trade was Glenmark. Glenmark is kind of interesting stock, and why? So there is multiple positive opportunities in this stock. First thing is that in case of new cases of Omicron, the pharmaceutical companies should benefit from it, okay. So one positivity is that, and then we saw that if we see a pattern here, you will find that, okay, you will find that there is a W kind of pattern, or inverted, you can say inverted head and shoulder. For example, if you take this one as your like you can say that line from previous trend, or you can say downtrend, then we saw some one head, left shoulder, then upside move, then your head, then comes your neckline, then again your right shoulder, and then it broke, and then it was supposed to come down as it is expected. So this point was your entry point. So in this one I took trade, I took long trade, and I entered just at this point. So I entered at exact 133.493, and initially I kept my stop loss 48 rupees because I was expecting that in case there is some flexibility, or you can say if there is a certain kind of move because of overall negative sentiments of the market. So I was expecting 488, but as after formation of 2-3 candles, or you can see big volume came in the next candle, I shifted my stop loss to just below this line. So 491.5 was my stop loss. So you can see that the risk reward ratios goes pretty up. My expectation was that it should hit this one, okay, 512 rupees. So but it did not go that much, but fortunately since the quantity was like, I had good quantity, so I exited it on 498. So I got profited for 5 rupees. So risk reward ratio in this case was like designed one was, you can say if we improve this one as 488. So my initial risk reward ratio was 3.8 times your risk, and unfortunately we again, if we shifted our trail over SL, then again we got equivalent kind of, I exited 498. So you can say that profit was again, I got a risk reward ratio of 3 times that of risk. So this stock we can trade again tomorrow, and we are seeing some good move here, and we expect it to be bullish on the next session if market goes in a positive direction. So if we go for daily chart, then we will see why. The reason is that you can see clearly, it is clearly visible. Okay, so this region has been kind of support point over here, and if we take an example of spreading kind of channel, okay, so this part has already been completed. Okay, now we are expecting some reversal from here because volume has already gone down, and then this closing, if happens to be above 500 rupees, then we will see some big boom at least for 510 to 512 rupees. Okay, so that's all for today, and see you on the next video. And people who have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel.